Hey guys, Stephan here with this week's Crack Brain Fractured Friday wrap-up. On Tuesday, we had part 2 of our playthrough of Sea of Thieves with myself, Candace, and Tyler. Everything kind of went well for the first little bit, and then in true Crack Brain fashion, the crew of what we've now called the Rum Bucket, happens to go a bit sideways with some villainous skeletons and a surprise visit from a little beastie. So
the useless one has led us astray.
I have not.
No, he actually gave us a good heading. We're just making our way very slowly.
Gave good head, ink.
God damn it.
Hope that you guys really like that video. We've already recorded the next part, and I will tell you right now, if you really like part 2, you are definitely going to enjoy part 3. Brah. Speaking of the next video, really look forward for next week when we get onto an all-new game. Honestly, I've been watching this video probably a couple of times for the last week, and I've been laughing so hard every single time. So definitely check that out. Of course, feel free to subscribe, comment, and like each video. That really helps us out. So thank you guys so much for that. On Wednesday, we had an episode of the Crack Brain podcast. This one was just myself and Caden. Everyone else was a little bit busy, and we had a last-minute cancellation of some guests, but we still made the episode. We were able to go and cover quite a bit of E3 news, as well as some updates as well. So definitely go and give that a listen.
People, if you guys have noticed this, definitely go and let me know, because a very specific problem keeps on happening, okay? And that is, I'll be going to go and check out and, get through all of my items and then go to hit pay. It always gives me the same error message.
Which is?
Okay. The error message, I can't remember it verbatim, but it's something like there's an inconsistency with your order. And then it will replay the video from a bird's eye view down of whatever it was saying was going on.
In podcast news as well, you can now find the Crack Brain podcast over on Anchor FM as well as on Spotify. It took us a long time to be able to go and get approved for Spotify. Quite a few of you all have reached out wanting to go and get us over on that platform. Thank you guys so much for that. And I hope that you all really enjoy that, and I hope that the new audience that comes in really enjoys the podcast as well. On Friday, we have our episode of Kawaii Cast. It hasn't been recorded yet as I'm actually doing this video, but I do know that Candace and Tyler are planning on talking on the anime Shield Hero. This is an anime that I've been following probably since episode 1. So I've really been enjoying it. I hope that you all, if you are anime lovers, that you definitely go and give not only the episode a try of Kawaii Cast, but also give the series a try as well. Fantastic, and I really know that Candace and Tyler will knock this out of the park. Lastly, we just want to go and say thank you to our Patreon subscribers. You all have done so much for us, and I really can't fathom a way to go and give more of a thank you. So I definitely want to go and thank you all so much for your support. If you all are unaware of our Patreon, go over to patreon.com/crackedbrain. We do have 3 different tiers. Soon there will only be 2 tiers. We are in the process of kind of finalizing some last minute plans. We're waiting on a few things just because we've had a couple of new developments that we will hopefully be able to get into in the very near future. But definitely really encourage you guys, if you like our content, go and support us over on Patreon or over on our Shopify store, and that'll be the best way to go and help us out. That's it for this week's Fractured Friday wrap-up. Again, make sure you guys check back every single week, every single Friday for that update. Don't forget to always catch the live stream of the Crack Brain podcast over on Saturdays at 6 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. And that's pretty much about it. So until next time, guys, we'll see y'all later.
Here we go.